Hi, my name is Shahrukh Siddiq. As you have gone through my resume, I would cut my discussion short due to time constraint. I would want to be more sniper approached with my next 3 to 5 years career goals enshrined with my anticipated completion of Management Information System at University of California. Well, I'm foreseeing that competitive advantage in the new world lies in information system, and a thorough understanding in information system would provide me an added advantage to advance in supply chain field, to synchronize the process, and to be more particular about my goal. I would like to replace the old outdated mechanical system into the robotic system, which will be based on artificial intelligence, so that there is less need of human capital for corporate machine driven needs. This would drive humans to broaden their mind horizons, dedicate more time to enhance the already built system, and make strategical decisions rather than being laborious. The executionary idea before my goal is to make a proper stage-wise substitution plan so that operations would not be hampered and there would be no loss of revenue and service quality to the organization. Secondly, I believe that in this cutthroat competitive business environment, delayed strategically decisions may have irreversible adverse repercussions on the businesses. Timely business decisions and its execution within the tight deadline are now imperative to the survival and gaining a competitive advantage for the businesses. Thus, developing a high precision decision support system with artificial intelligence techniques and immaculate problem solving methodologies is now inevitable in current scenario and would be a goal to accomplish, so that lead time for any decision could be reduced to minimalistic level. Decision support system would be equipped with real-time data and case studies, which will be integrated with artificial intelligence in such a way that any similar issue which is already handled by the company or industry in the past would be highlighted with the risk and systematic ways directed towards issue resolution. Moreover, I would feel more passionate to work in an environment where I can contribute my awaited skills to nurture corporate environment in this rapidly changing business environment in such a way that would place a cost effective system to manage supply chain, which ultimately evolve as a benefit to the society. Needless to mention here that University of California would have a strong footprint on completing my career goals. Finally, if I would talk about my dream job, after around 7 years from now, I see myself as a unique amalgam supply chain professional with high-end expertise in artificial intelligence arena, which would support in getting a leading edge over my colleagues to land at director's position for one of the Fortune 100 companies. Thank you.